Hey everyone, it's Leisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite winter comfort food recipes that also happens to be high protein, vegan chili made with TVP. So if you wanted to even add more protein to this, you can add black beans. I just went with the red kidney beans with the TVP since I have plenty of TVP to go through. I'm using frozen bell peppers as well because I need to get rid of them. Have the onion pre-diced, garlic minced. As usual, all the ingredients, spices will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. So we're just going to start off by frying the aromatics. And you're going to get steamed a few times throughout this recipe. Heads up. Then I add in the frozen bell pepper, because it's frozen. And that's the tomato paste. I like to give it a little bit of a fry before I add anything else. Giving the TVP a bit of a dry fry before I add any moisture. If you're not familiar with TVP, it's just textured vegetable protein or textured soy protein, which is basically soy flour with a shape. It's nearly all protein and absorbs whichever flavor you add to it with no aftertaste, which makes it amazing for a meat replacement. Keep in mind that if you're not using the TVP, if you're just using, like, let's say a can of black beans and a can of red beans, you won't need as much water because the TVP absorbs water. At this point I add about half of the spice. Let it simmer for a bit, and then I add the rest of the spice right before adding the kidney beans. I let it simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, just depending how much you want the flavors to kind of cook down. Then I add salt and pepper to taste. So here I'm just serving the chili with some cornbread. This one's in a skillet, but it's the exact same recipe as my corn muffins, which I'll link for you here. Chili is also really good when you add fat to it, like sour cream or avocado. This time I just added jalapeno because I wanted something fresh and spicy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, leave a dislike. I'll do better for next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you want more recipes. And as always, thanks for watching.